Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can use Systeme.io if you're getting started, if you're a beginner, or even if you are a professional, you can use Systeme.io for email marketing. It's one of the best ones out there and it's completely free to use. So if you are a beginner and you want to get so many contacts into your list, you can get up to 3,000 email contacts into your list, and it's completely free. You get one funnel and one automation in the free plan. If you want to go into the paid plan, you can get more funnels and more automations. So if you are somebody who wants to try sending emails to your list, you can use Systeme.io. I have put the link in the description of this video, so if you want, you can go and click there and get logged in. I'll be showing you how you can use the software. Just keep watching this video till the end. So once you log in, this is where you'll reach the dashboard, and here you can see the latest emails that you have in being added to your list. So there's nothing to worry about. It's very easy to use. You can get started by clicking the link in the description of this video. Once you are logged in, you can see all these toolbars. On the main toolbar, if you can see under dashboard is the main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, student dashboard, and reseller dashboard. So you don't have to worry about all this. You just have to just keep looking at main dashboard. That's enough, because affiliates is for those who want to promote the system to others. Someone like me who is an affiliate, I'm promoting system to anyone who's watching my videos. Or if I want to, I can email my list and tell them join system. It's very simple. And under CRM, you have the contacts and tags. You don't have to worry about pipelines and calendar right now since you are a beginner. So the contacts is nothing but the list, the email list that you are building up. So I have around 173 emails. I'm continuously building up. It'll take time. Anyways, the tags is nothing but the list, the name of the list that you want to. You can create as many tags as you want, but if you're in a free plan, you can only create one tag. And whatever emails that you have, you can add it to this tag, because if you want to send emails out, you just have to choose which tag to send the emails to. So you don't have to copy paste each and every email into the email for automation section. So yeah, I'll show you everything. If you come under sites here, you can see all the sales funnels and websites that you can use. You don't have to worry about creator stores and blogs right now. You're just getting started. So just look into websites, or you can also look into sales funnels. I just have one sales funnel. So in a free plan, you can only have one sales funnel. So in this section, I have like opt-in page and a thank you page. Rest is just terms and conditions and privacy policy. You can add as many pages as you want. You just make it look like a website, a simple website. So if you want somebody to sign up to your email list, you have to give them in something for free, right? So that is why I have an opt-in page. So if I just take a look at the opt-in page, this is something, and this is how it look like. So if you want to make money online, you just sign up here. I will send you some freebies, and they will surely sign up, right? So yeah, I will send them an email to these subscribers, and they will get a free email with my freebie. So you can also do that. You can go to Claude.ai and get a free ebook which teaches individuals how to make money online on the internet. So once people see something like that, if you promote something like that, you can use Facebook ads, you can use Pinterest, you can use Instagram. You can start organic market. You organically keep on posting on a daily basis. You can even use Twitter. You can just start collecting emails of people. So once you start collecting emails, it will be added directly into this uh, tags and contacts. So this will keep on increasing on a daily basis, which will help you to connect with them. You can send them out so many emails. So after that, you have to go into emails and click on campaigns. So this is where you get started with email marketing. Just click on campaigns. And here I have just one campaign here, one email campaign. So email campaign is something like a course of emails. So you're sending those who sign up for your email to your email list, you're sending them a group of emails. So it'll go in a delay pattern. So one day they'll get one email, the next day For example, I'm sending one email on Monday, then I send on Tuesday, then on Wednesday till Sunday. So it's just like a 7-day sequence. I'm just sending out emails. You should not send every hour emails. You can probably send in the morning and then in the evening, but it's much better to send them on a daily basis, so it will not trouble them and you won't get much bounce rate. And also there are people who will surely unsubscribe from your email list, so you have to be very careful. Don't send too many emails. So I just have like a welcome email. Once they sign up to my campaign or my funnel, they will get a free bonus. So this is something I created with Claude. And then next they have, like, I just send them an email asking them, just checking in, have you checked out your exclusive ebook? So I'm just trying to communicate with them, telling them, are you interested to I mean, like, are you, have you received this ebook? So yeah, you'll get some open rate, so you'll not be that much, because you have a very small list, so the open rate will be very less. So don't worry about it. Once you are also starting out, the open rate will be very less. And after that, you just give out a lot of emails on a daily basis. You can go to ChatGPT or Claude and ask them to give you an email sequence and email subject lines, and you can get started right away. So once you create emails, you have to make sure you uh, pattern it properly. So if you want to create an email, just go into create and you put in the subject, then put the name of the person, then put the email. You can put any email you want. Make sure you have registered your email or your website. If you have a website, only then you'll be able to send emails. If you don't have a website, it'll be very difficult. So I would suggest you to go into Hostinger. I'll put the link in the description of this video, so you'll be able to get a simple website. You need a hosting as well as a website. If you need to use Systeme, it's very important that you have a website. Otherwise, it'll be difficult to send emails, because Gmail and Hotmail, Yahoo, all these companies, they will not allow you to send emails with a Gmail ID or a Yahoo ID. So it's going to be difficult. It'll just go into the user's spam folder. So you don't want that to happen, right? So you better have a website. And once you have a website, you can have um, an email connected to that website. So that will be used for sending emails. So if you want to add an email to your system dashboard, all you have to do is go to the profile here, then click on settings, and on to left you can see the email here, and here you'll have to add your domain which you have purchased from Hostinger or GoDaddy or whichever domain provider. Then you have to connect it. You have to make sure the DNS settings point to Systeme. So you'll get a free email ID inside one of these hosting providers. Hostinger has it, and GoDaddy also surely has it. So you can use any domain provider. Okay, you just have to Google it, you'll get one, and get started. If you want to easily get started, click on the link in the description. I have provided Hostinger link. If you I would suggest you to join Hostinger, because it's really cheaper compared to all the other hosting providers. If you want to get a simple website, you can just get it for around $5 to $10 or less than that. So once you're here, all you have to do now is make sure to connect the automation to your sales funnel. So once you have a sales funnel, you have to connect it to your automation, which is the number of which is the sorry to your email campaign, so that once people sign up, it will automatically, you don't have to even look into it. It'll automatically keep sending emails. So go into the opt-in page and click on edit. This is a simple page I created as usual, as I told you before. And here you have a form. Okay, in the form section, make sure to have a first name as well as an email, so that you can get their email, a name as well as email. Also, you can get their phone number. You can add whatever uh, form details that you want. All you have to do is go here and click on the form section. Here you can add different form inputs, which I'm not looking to create right now, but anyway, I'll show you. You can just add a form input and select what that input field has to be. You can add phone number if you want to. but I don't want a phone number at the moment, so I'll just delete it. Phone number is for those who want to send SMSs or WhatsApp messages. In the submit button is where all the magic happens. You have to select what to do. So you just click on an automation rule and you can select add a tag. So you just choose which tag this person who signs up to this opt-in page will join. So I just select the tag I already have. That's it. Just one tag I have, and it will be these guys will be added to that tag, and also they will subscribe to the email campaign. So I choose which email campaign is there. They're already subscribed, so it's not showing that option at the moment. So once you're done with connecting your funnel with the email campaign, all you can see newsletters under emails. This is in case if you want to send new emails, which is like a completely a single emails to your uh, email list. So you can use newsletters. You just have to create a simple newsletter. It's like a one-time message. Like if you send a message to a person, it's a one-time message. It's not inside an automation. It's not an email campaign. This is nothing, just a simple email that you're sending randomly to your list. So very you will not get much open rates, around 10-6 open rates if you have less than 200 emails. So the more number of emails you have, the more number of open rates you can get. But you have to be really consistent in sending emails, otherwise the open rates will decrease. So that is something you have to look into. And the rest is all just simple product based options on the dashboard here. So you have assets. So if you have physical products, if you want to sell something physically, if you can mostly sell something inside your country. So yeah, that's it. And you have courses here, coupons, communities, files. You can upload your files if you want to sell them, and you have all the orders and transactions and everything, all the details. If you want, you can look into this. Currently I'm not having any physical or digital products inside Systeme. I just sell I just promote affiliate products, so I don't have much products of my own. But if you have a course or if you have a digital product, you can surely add them here into assets or physical products, and you can start selling something. Inside the settings, you have a lot of other options as well. I will just take you into the settings. Here you have custom domains. You have to add your custom domain here. You can send emails with your Google Gmail account, but it will end up in the spam folder, so don't try it. It would look weird to the person who's reading it. They'll be thinking that it's coming from a random person, so it will probably go into the spam folder. So that is why it's better to have a custom domain. So you just have to buy one. It's available immediately. You just have to look up a particular website name that you can add as your website. You can also choose which plan you want on Systeme. So there is a 17 month per month plan. Here you have 10 sales funnels, whereas in the free plan you just have like one out of three. Okay, so I'm just using one right now. So you can have, I guess, 3 sales funnels and some funnel steps. You can have one blog, one course. So there's one email campaign and one tag. So most of it I have completely used up. And also better to go into a startup plan if you want to have more sales funnels and blogs and courses, or if you want to have at least 5,000 emails. So yeah, in the free plan you have only 2,000 email list capacity. I think they decreased it. Before it used to be 3,000, so they decreased it to 2,000. So anyways, if you're getting started, I don't think you will be having so many emails once you start generating money. So if you have 1,000 email lists, you can surely get $500 per week. At least I guess in 2 days you will be able to make $500 if you are consistent and developing a proper email strategy. You can surely get there. So that's about it, guys. This is Systeme.io, and if you have any questions, you can put in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you want to join Systeme, just click on the link in the description. Try it out, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.